To check live core service and network uptime status in Thunkable, you use the official Thunkable system status page. This page provides real-time monitoring of all major backend systems that power the platform, including the builder, database, app services, and build infrastructure. Start by opening your browser and navigating to Thunkable's official status page. This page is maintained by Thunkable and is used to report the health of all core services in real time. Once the page loads, you will see a dashboard that lists multiple system components. These typically include the Thunkable builder, designer environment, server infrastructure, database systems, build servers for both Android and iOS, and live app hosting services. Each component is marked with a status indicator. A green indicator means the service is fully operational and running normally. A yellow indicator shows degraded performance, which means the service is working but may be slower or unstable. A red indicator means a partial or major outage, indicating that the service is currently experiencing downtime or significant issues. Below the main status overview, you can scroll down to view uptime history. This section shows performance trends over a longer period, usually ranging from 30 to 90 days. It helps you understand whether a service has been stable or if there have been repeated disruptions. You can also view incident reports, which provide detailed explanations of past outages or ongoing issues. These reports often include timestamps, affected services, and updates from the Thunkable engineering team as they resolve problems. For more detailed monitoring, you can check specific components such as Android build servers or iOS build servers if you're experiencing issues with app compilation. The Live App section is especially important if your app is not loading or syncing correctly. It is recommended to check this status page whenever you experience problems in Thunkable before assuming the issue is within your project. Many times, errors or delays come from platform-wide issues rather than individual app configurations. Refreshing the page allows you to see real-time updates, especially during active incidents where the engineering team is resolving problems. And that's how you check live core service and network uptime status in Thunkable. Open the status page, review system components, check uptime history, and monitor incidents to understand platform health in real time.